Hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can fix Zoho Mail not receiving emails. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along, even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the access to Zoho Mail admin settings, and this will help you to ensure that your emails are delivered without interruption. So the first thing that you have to do is check your MX records in Zoho Mail admin console. So you can either search here. So search for MX records or domain. So search for domains. And basically what you will just have to do is make sure that you have the DNS settings here. And once you see the DNS settings, you will just have to click that and make sure again that you have the full access to the website so that you will be able to see that feature. And once you see the DNS settings, you will just have to click that, and then you will ensure that the MX records match the values provided by Zoho Mail. And after that, you will check the SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to prevent delivery issues. Then you will check your um, email filters or spam holder, which is right here, so that you will be able to actually see if messages are being blocked. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching. And again, by the way, you will also have to test sending an email to your Zoho account and confirm delivery, and then you will update any incorrect DNS settings if needed. And that's it. Thank you again for watching and have a good day, and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.